Today I got a '09 Chevy Cobalt. And today I'm gonna change the Serpentine Belt on this. Okay, it's a 2.2 Eco engine. But see the Serpentine Belt down there just broke on the customer, and I gotta replace that. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is remove the battery. It's in the trunk. Right there. Disconnect the battery. And you need a 10mm. Just take that off. Put that to the side. All right, now we're ready to rock. Okay, now you want to come to the passenger side wheel, and I'll take this wheel off. You need a 19mm. Same thing, take these off. 19. Okay, you got this black cover right here. You gotta pop off. You gotta take these pop these things out here, and these are 7mm, and these here are 7mm. There's two of them, one here, one down here, and it should pop out. Okay, there was another 7mm right around here, and then over here at the top there was another clip holding it in up there, and something behind there back here is holding it up there, but you don't have to take that out. At this point, just pull it down so you can, and it gives you just enough access to, do what you need to do. Okay, so at this point, you pretty much just fish it up there to that pulley up there, and I'm gonna come around and fish it around that pulley and this other pulley here, and then put a wrench on the tensioner up there, open the tensioner up a little bit, and finish wrapping it around this one here at the end. And that's pretty much it. So sorry. Wrapping it around that. One up there is still wrapped up there. All right, so pretty much once you got it wrapped around, those two outer pulleys there, and around that tensioner, you just have it here. You wanna pretty much just put this wrench on the tensioner and open the tensioner up so you can wrap this belt around it. See, give it some slack. That's pretty much it. And then pretty much just go over your pulleys and make sure the belt is on right all the way around.